I want to have our image in the back and our text in the front. So I will right-click on the image and send the dog back. Also, because the image has a focus point in the center, I'm going to put the text in the center of the slide as well. I can do that on the home menu with center alignment. Because I have an image of a puppy, my text should talk about the puppy, the dog. Okay, so I'm going to change my text to dogs are cool. All right, now the image and the text have the same idea. Good, we have one good slide. Let's make slide number 2. Again, we want a clean blank slide, and I'm going to insert a video. So go to Insert menu and Video. Then you can search for video on your computer or download from the internet. I have a sumo video that I want to add. So it's going to come up and we can change the size. You can make it the same size as your slide. You can make it smaller. All right, but then you can play it inside the PowerPoint. Okay. We can also insert audio, just some music, maybe for the background, or an interview with someone. Okay. Click audio, and again, find music on your computer or download it. This is some sample music from my computer, and you can see it comes up as a speaker icon. You can put this behind an image, or you can just add it nicely to the corner or use it in your slide design. Okay. When you're finished making your PowerPoint slides, often I want you to make some notes. So for slide 1, what will I say? What will I speak in my presentation? This text is only for my listeners to understand my most important idea. So I need to write my speaking notes. Maybe I'll start with puppies, baby dogs, are very cute, and most people like them. Okay, dogs can make you smile. They can make you laugh. Ha 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 ha. Okay, you need to type in your text here. All right, what will you say? For the next slide, what will you say? This is a video of Japanese sumo. These two wrestlers train for years to be able to fight in the sumo ring, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so whatever you want to say, this is an excellent space to put your notes. To start playing your PowerPoint, you should go to the slideshow menu. You can choose from the beginning, which means from slide 1. You could choose from current slide, which will be whatever thumbnail icon is highlighted. Okay, so if my slide number 2 is highlighted and I click this, the slideshow will start from slide number 2. Okay. Let's look at some of the other menu options here. File, this is how we print. This is how we save, right? Home menu allows us to choose different layouts for our PowerPoint. And we can add shapes and move front to back. Insert, we talked about the different items that you can insert into your PowerPoint slide. Design, remember, I want you to make your own design, not use the themes. Transitions. For this class, there are 2 transitions that are okay. You can use your mouse to click from one to the next with no transition. That's okay. None is okay. And fade is okay. This is a preview of fade. Okay. The other ones we won't use this year, so please don't use in your PowerPoint. Animations. Okay, let's go back to our first slide. If we want this text to come later, we want to see the picture first, and then we want to see the text come later, you can use up here. If you highlight and click up here, this little number 1 will show up. Then, when you use the slideshow presentation, the picture will come first, and then you can click the mouse, and the text will appear. Please don't use fade, fly in. Don't use these other options. They're cool, but they're not professional, and we want to practice professional animations. You can use up here. All right. If you are working with another student and you'd like to make a comment on their work, so click, you can type your work, your comment, nice job, okay, and then save it. So when your partner looks at their work, they'll see your comment and the date that you wrote it. All right. As you are working, if you want to see your notes for each slide, you can change the view. You can see many slides at one time. You can see different styles of notes and choose different options. Okay, these are some extra features to play with after the basics. One last point. If we go back to our original view, okay, and then go back to home. If we want to use a slide from a different PowerPoint, maybe we want to use a slide that we made last year, okay, we can go to reuse slides, and then it will ask us to choose the PowerPoint file that we want to use. So you can either type in the name of the PowerPoint file or browse your computer, browse files. Then some different images of slides will come, and you can click and drag into your PowerPoint. If you want to change the order of your slides, click the slide and hold it and move it to the new location. Okay? I hope these are some helpful basic instructions for using PowerPoint. Please look for other videos with more or different project ideas on our class Moodle website.